Your headlights look like this? Unable to change the light bulbs? Can't find the right YouTube video to help you? Then this video is for you. I'll be changing the passenger. Headlight assembly. New headlight from Amazon. First need to take this cover off. Held together by some clips. I'm using a flathead screwdriver. It's hard doing this with one hand, but I got it. Bam! Once you got them all off, remove the plastic cover. Just put it aside out of the way. Now time for the fun part. Haha. Take these bolts off with a 10mm. There should be 6 bolts to remove, but my truck is missing. 2. Altogether, there is 8 bolts, but I'm just replacing the passenger side, not the driver's side. Now that all the bolts have been removed, time to pop off the grille. The grille is being held by clips. Should be 8 clips. Now that the grille is popped off, these are the clips holding the grille. Time to take off the headlight. Don't forget about this bolt on the bottom. Now that all the bolts are removed, unplug this. Pull up and out. There it is, it's out. What the heck? This headlight was broken. That's not supposed to be there. Supposed to be a 10mm bolt. This is the assembly. No way to change a light bulb. So far, is this video helpful? Let me know in the comments. New one and old one. Need to take off this trim and put it on the new headlight. This mofo had screws in it. More screws. It had 4. Good thing I'm changing it out. Got all of them. Now to take it apart. That popped off easy. That was broken. Need to take this trim off now. Push these in and push them out. Be careful not to break or scratch it. Got it. Now to pop it on the new headlight. Like a glove. Need to take that mofo off. Did what I had to get that mofo out. Now that everything is right, time to put it together. Plug it in. There it is. Put the bolts back, where they belong. Pop that grille back on. Yeah, just like that. Remember that plastic dot cover? Get that. Pop it on. Grab those clips and pop them in. Make sure you get them all. If this was the video you were looking for, then give it a like. Share this video. It could help somebody else. time to see the results. Like this video if you have a Chevy. Comment if this video helped you. Oh, yeah! It works. The lights and the blinker. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, share the video, and subscribe.